Alright, hey guys, just a quick help video for this slide. This slide you're just really being asked to just choose your own X values for this project that you guys are going to be working on. And it doesn't matter, you get to choose any two X values that you want. I'd recommend keeping them as whole numbers because later on you guys are going to need to be multiplying these values together, and for you it'll just make it a little bit easier, but if you want to use fractions, that's okay as well. Your X values can be both positive, they can be both negative. You can let one be positive and the other be negative. It doesn't matter at all what X values you choose, it's just going to be any number you can think of. I would keep them a little bit smaller. I would just keep in mind that you're going to be working with these numbers later on. So if you look right here, the two X values that I'm choosing are right here. I'm just choosing one X value to be positive 1. I'm choosing the other X value to be negative 13. Want to remind you guys real quick of this formula, intercept form for quadratics, and you're going to see that right here. This is what we're going to be working with as we move forward with this project, so you want to become comfortable with it. That A value is just going to tell you really if that parabola opens up or down. This P value right here is one of your X values, and this Q value is going to be your other X values. We're just going to be putting those values inside here in a moment. Remember that insiders lie. So when we put these values inside to the parentheses, they're going to change signs. So if you look down here, I take, to make my expressions, which is the second part of your slide here that you're responsible for, I take my positive 1 from right here. When I plug it in, it becomes X minus 1 because insiders lie. When I take my negative 13 here from my other X value, I plug it in as X plus 13 because insiders lie. So if this was my project and I was filling out the slides like you guys would be, these would be the two X values that I would plug in where or type in where it says X equals and X equals. Those are your two X values of your choice. And then down here, this is what I'd be filling in, those two parentheses where it says fill in your expressions here. Hope this helps. Good luck, guys.